Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install free themes from Shopify. So first, you can go to your Shopify dashboard, and then as you can see, there is online store here. You can click it, and then you can click themes. After that, as you can see, this is my current theme. If I want to change it, I will just choose the free themes here. There are a lot of free themes. Can also click visit theme store here, but let's say I just want to add the themes from here. Okay, let's say I choose horizon. I can just click add here and we wait. It's installing. And after it's added to our library, you can just click customize here to see the preview and to edit everything. So this is the preview of our theme, of our website. And if you think this is good, you can just click publish here and then you can click publish and you can see your live store here. You can click view your store here and it will brings to your store. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.